Okay, this is a short lesson on common factoring. For common factoring, you want to divide all the terms by the greatest common factor, the largest thing you possibly can take out from all of them. So in the first question here, I have 9x plus 12. My greatest common factor is going to be a 3. That is the largest thing I can divide away from both terms. So what I do with that greatest common factor is I put it in front, and then in brackets, I divide both terms by that 3. So 9x divided by 3, okay, that is 3x. And then I go 12 divided by 3, that is 4. So in my brackets, I want to have 3x plus 4. My greatest common factor goes in front. That's very important. In the second question, I look at all three terms. And what's the largest thing, the greatest common factor I can take out from all of them? Well, I could take out a greatest common factor. My greatest common factor is going to be a 2. And then I can also take out some x's and y's. And if I look at them, I have x cubed, x4, x to the 5. I can divide all of them by an x cubed and have enough left over in each of the terms. And then look at the y's, y squared, y, and y8. The smallest one, they all have y's, and the smallest one that's in them is just a y. That means that all of them can be divided by a y. So my greatest common factor is 2x cubed y, so I'm going to put that in front, 2x cubed y. And then brackets, because I've got to divide all three things by that greatest common factor. And when I'm dividing, I subtract my exponents. So I'm going to have divide, I'm going to have 4. Then x cubed divided by x cubed, I have no x cubes left. Y squared divided by y is just y, 1 y left. Then I'm going to go 6x4y divided by my greatest common factor. So I'm going to have plus 3. And x4 divided by x cubed, subtract your exponents, just an x. And then your y's, you're not going to have any y's left. Minus, and then 4 divided by 2 is 2. Subtract your exponents, x to the 5, x cubed is x squared. Subtract your exponents on the y's, and I'll have y7. Greatest common factor goes in front, and then you divide all your terms by that greatest common factor. In the third example, my greatest common factor is a binomial. Okay, all of these have x minus 3 in it. So my greatest common factor is going to be x minus 3. So I'm going to put my x minus 3 in front. And I'm going to divide them all by x minus 3, which means I'm going to have a 6x left. Divide by x minus 3, I'm going to have a 5y left in my other one. And then I'm going to have just a plus 7 left in the third one. So my greatest common factor goes in front, and then I divide away from the 3 terms remaining. Okay, this is a very short lesson on common factoring. Thank you.